Friends, welcome back everyone. So today, I think that the topic is very exciting because who in India doesn't want a discount? So today I'm going to share you one very excellent tactic. You can call it as tactic, yes. And many people are not aware of this. And I really felt that I need to explain to you, I have to give you examples, I have to teach you this because you would have wondered many times that whenever we buy anything in India, there is discount. So there is Deepavali discounts, or festival discounts, Independence Day discount. Many things are there, but then when we are buying stocks, why is that there is no discount? Have you ever thought about this? If you have not thought, at least think now. Why is that there is no discount when you buy stocks? So don't worry if you're not aware of this. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you in detail, and also most of the people, those who are doing investment, can start using this technique. And you need further help, you can always make use of my help as well. But I'll try to give you a basic idea how this is done so that you can start working on it, you can start learning it. And also, friends, once again, before starting this, I would like to give a disclaimer that I am not forcing anyone for investment, or I'm not forcing any stocks, or I'm not enforcing any stocks to you. This is just an idea which I felt I have to really share with you. Okay, so let us go forward. So before going forward, people, those who have not yet opened Upstock, it's a very good trading platform. They are also once again giving you free demat and trading account. Yes, you can see even the broker also is giving you free demat trading account, and also zero brokerage for 30 days. And you have not thought till now, why is that you're not getting discount for your stocks which you're purchasing? Okay, so don't forget to open Upstock. You'll be getting discounts in my open trades as well as in my trainings. Yes, my webinar trainings for 1 month mentorship is started, and we have scheduled it on Sundays. So those who want to take mentorship program can subscribe for it as well. You can WhatsApp on my number and collect for the details on that. So without wasting much time, let us get into this very exciting topic. Yes, I'm very excited seeing this discounts. Who would not like a discount? 50% discount, 20% discount, special offers. When I look into this, what comes into my mind is there was one Maruti car advertisement. Yes, a long back before. I don't know how many people would have seen it. The advertisement goes like this: a person visits NASA, and they would have kept nice models of spacecrafts, I mean spaceships, and all those kinds of thing. And when all are asking about the technicalities, when Russian comes, then England guys come, Germany people come, and they keep asking what's the torque, what's the power, what's the capacity, that, this, and all. But when an Indian goes, you know what he asks? He asks, "कितना देता है?" In the sense, how much mileage does it give? Okay, so why I gave this example is because Indian mentality is like this: how much mileage do we get from automobile, from a car? The same way, when you're buying a product, you would have seen your mother, or you would have seen your parents as well. They keep negotiating, they ask for discount. It's Indian mentality that we always ask for discount. And that is how many companies also do marketing in such way that they give very good discounts for the product during these festivals and all those things, and then they attract the customers. Now we are going to learn how to get these discounts in stocks as well. Friends, this is nothing but the power of options. By using options, yes, you will get, and you can get. And trust me, this is used by all the rich people. I can say the multimillionaires or the billionaires. All of them use this kind of strategies. They use this technique, and it is nothing but using options. That is why I was forcing you to start learning options, and also I taught you few basics concepts as well. If you're not yet started studying options, please go through those videos. I have basically tried to explain to you theta and delta. Friends, options is like an ocean, but if you start learning it and start implementing, you can start really making your life settle. To give you an example, yesterday we were trading this bank nifty options, and then there were two trades which I was basically planning. One was I was planning with trading with options, and another I was trading with future. And the open trade which I gave was only an option. Though in future when I traded I got a loss, all those who traded in options were able to make small money. The reason because of the premium decay. So then I realized, yes, this is a reason why I'm forcing. It is really true that I'm forcing everyone to go into options, because it has got so much of power. Even if the market goes sideways, also you can make money. Even if the market goes as per a direction, also you can make money. So there are a lot of things in options. So welcome to options. Come to options, and if you want help, you can always take my help to learn options as well. Okay, so now I'll give you an example to make you understand. What I'll do is, I'm just opening an Excel sheet. I will consider a stock. Now let us say the stock which I am considering is ITC, and presently the stock is running at around 200 rupees. Okay, so ITC is a very good stock, friends. In case if you have any plans of investment, you can think about it. Again, I told you in the starting itself, I am not. I have to give you a disclaimer that I am not forcing anyone to buy ITC, or neither do I have any interest in ITC. It is just that the fundamentals are very good, because even when the lockdown was there, and even when there was many other companies suffered huge losses, ITC made very good profits. And if at all you would have seen my live trades as well, I made loss because I was short on ITC, and the result came, and the result was superb. It gave very good dividends, and then that is the story, etc., etc. Okay, so now that is not the point here. Our point is just an example. I have taken ITC, and the stock is presently running at 200 rupees. Now you feel that the stock is not worth for 200, and I need some 10% discount. So the 10% discount comes to 20 rupees. Exactly. Friends, 10% discount on stocks is a huge price, because many people, they target 2%, 3% for month returns, and then you're going to buy a stock for almost 20%, sorry, 10% discount. That is nothing but 20 rupees. And again, one more thing I can tell you here is that 10% is not, what to say, is not the only thing which you can get. You can get how much ever you want discount. How is that now? You might be surprised. I'm telling you once again, you can take how much ever discount you want. Nobody is stopping you. Nobody is limiting you for 10%. You can take 20, 30, 40, 50, how much ever. Now you might ask me, sir, can I get 100% discount? Come on, guys, let us be very practical. So at least 40, 50, 60%, if you have real patience, you can even earn 40, 50% discount and stocks as well. Now in today's video, I'm going to explain to you. Okay. So before that, let us just see what is the option prices of ITC as of now. Okay, so I'll just open option chain, and then I'll type ITC, and the expiry is going to be 27th August. Okay, so friends, no, once again, not yet come. ITC go. I'm also very excited to explain to you today, because I'm really I'll also give you proofs that who all are using it also. Okay, so okay, this is ITC. As I guessed it already, it is around 192 rupees, and this is the option chain of ITC, and these are the premiums where you can see. Okay, so puts are at this side and calls are at this side. So what basically you have to do, if the price of the stock is as of now 200 rupees, you don't have to buy the stock immediately. You just have to sell the put option, okay, at least 10% far away. Okay, so why I'm saying 10% is because ITC will not move 10% in a month. Okay, even if at all you are good at technical analysis, you can just see if the stock is not moving more than 5% in a month. If the average to range of in a particular month is not more than 5%, then you can also keep 5% as well. Okay, so basically do your analysis. I'm just telling you for general whole. So generally, when whichever stock you want, you can just check monthly how much of movement it is making, and accordingly you can take a strike price. So now in this case, the present it is around 192 and 194. So 10% far away if you go, it will be too far. Let us take 5% itself, and 5% if you go, it will be around 180, 185 at this range. Okay, So here you can see the LTP around 2.75 to 2 rupees is the latest transaction price. So what you have to do is just sell these any of these strike prices. So why I told you, once again I'm repeating you, we are keeping 10% far away so that it doesn't come down so much. Okay, so that your put does not get encashed. Okay, so here we are around trying to sell around 184 to 182. So let us consider that it is 2 rupees. So here in this case we are taking 2 rupees is the option premium which we are selling. So what happens is, if today we are going to sell this option of 2 rupees, and if ITC is not coming down to this price, that is we targeted of 182, mind you the strike which we took was 182. So as long as option does not come to 182, this 2 rupees is going to be yours. Okay, so we will get 2 rupees profit. So thereby what happens, if the actual value of the stock is 200 rupees, now we are already got 2 rupees profit, so it is going to become 198. Again next month you will continue the same thing. Again you will be keeping 10% target. Again you will be targeting around 2 rupees. So if it does not come, again you are going to get 2 rupees. So again this actual value of the stock is going to come down to 196. Hope you understood how this 200 came to 196. Because without investment you are getting this premium 2 rupees into your account. Now you might say me, sir, this stock might again go up and all those things. Friends, the stock will not go 100% up in 1 year or 2 year and 3 years. The maximum it moves in a year is worst case 5% to 10% only. So there are few months it goes up, few months it comes down, but this income keeps coming. So this income, if at all you just subtract from this, it is nothing but you're getting discount from ITC. Without owning ITC stock, you are getting discount monthly from just by selling the put option of ITC. And now, if the stock comes down, what happens? If it comes down, then you can buy at 186, simple, sorry 182. Anyways, we decided to buy this. So if it comes down to 182, then you can buy it. If it does not come to 182 also, you are getting your monthly profits. Hope you're getting the concept which I'm trying to tell you. So I'll just give you a summary. Don't get confused. Whichever stock you're planning to buy or invest, sell one lot of put option at least 5 to 10% away. Just look into the average store range of the stock, how much it is moving every month, and accordingly keep far away put options. So when you keep this put option, when you sell this put option, end of the month, if it comes down, then you can obviously buy at a lower price. This is what we wanted, right? If it comes down, I agree, you lose this 2 rupees option whichever we had planned. If it comes down, then that is what you wanted, so you will be buying at a lower price. If it does not come down, if it stays at the same price, then this 2 rupees premium is going to be yours. If it goes up little more higher or something of that sort also, again this 2 rupees premium is going to be yours. Again next month, you have to keep doing the same thing. And how much our patience you have, if you keep doing this every month, you'll be earning. And that is nothing but from the main, if at all you think properly, it is nothing but from the main money you are getting discounts. So all this money, monthly income which you're going to get is nothing but the discount which you're going to get from ITC without owning the ITC stock. Now if you don't trust or if you don't believe what I'm telling you, then I'll give you one more shock. Just go to Google. Okay, this is something else. When is Lent in 2020? Just type how Warren Buffett uses option. Okay, this is just Google. Just type in that, and on this starting itself we can see here. Hope everyone knows about Warren Buffett. Okay, so the strategy Buffett uses in shorting put options is nothing but, as a writer of the put option, you're essentially selling the right of selling the underlying stock for a premium. You receive cash for the premium. If the underlying stock in 30 days stays about $10, you simply keep the cash. You can just go through these websites. I'm just giving you the idea. So it's very clearly telling even Buffett, his major income was, I'm not telling of the 100% income, his 25% of income came by selling of options. So whichever company he targets to buy initially, what he used to do is just go sell the put options and then collect the premium if the stock does not come down. So you can see that if the underlying stock does not come down in 30 days, then the premium comes down to zero, and then you can keep the premium with yourself. This is how he was doing. And this is how all the multimillionaires, how all the big people in stock market also do the same kind of technique to make money. Now it is high time you realize this. So in case if you're not yet started investing, keep this knowledge for yourself. It will be very useful to you whenever you are going to invest. But if you're a regular investor, then you can do this technique. You can use this technique where you can get regular discounts, or nothing but you can get regular incomes without even earning the stock. So if you're not yet if you have the stock, and then if you're getting regular income like this, it means that you're getting like rental kind of income. So it is nothing but covered call. But without owning the stock, you're getting regular income. It means that it is this technique which I told you. Okay. So that is nothing but you can also call it as discount for the stock. So if you are having funds for almost 90% with you, and you still need another 10% to buy the entire lot of ITC, then you just have to do this technique. It will hardly take 1 lakh, 2 lakh for this, and then keep getting the income, and then you'll the 10% shortage fund was there. It will get added, and then you can buy the stock. Okay friends, so hope you like the video and hope you got something new knowledge today. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I recommend you to please press the subscribe button. And in case if you want any Excel file, backtested file of any of my strategies, please go through my channel. There are a lot of strategies. You can just WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. And also don't forget to use the Upstock link which I provided in the description of this video. They are providing very good offers, and as well you'll get discount on my open trades and trainings. And as I told you, we are having webinar this Sunday. So if at all you want to learn something new, and also I am concentrating on people, those who want to trade for a living. Okay, so all those who are serious about it only, please do enroll for the program. And once again, thank you and have a nice day.